Welcome back everyone, and today we're installing these F1 style race mirrors to the MX-5. So, you've got your race mirror, it's got a little blue tint on it, it's pretty nice. These ones I believe are from MX-5 Mods, it's a UK company, but I brought these second hand, it's probably why they're a little bit dirty, but we can clean that up, it's not that difficult to do. First thing we need to do is remove this one. So, to remove it, all you can do, grab a flathead screwdriver, put this underneath, and underneath the actual wing mirror you'll see a tiny little plastic hole. Slide that in, use the cloth to protect the paint, and it should just lift up and off. Should reveal two Phillips head screwdrivers, two Phillips head screws on each side. I'm just going to remove that with a screwdriver. Now you don't have to actually spray WD, but I'm doing it just to be sure, because I've worked on this car too many times for him with bolts just going. So I spray a little bit on there. Clean up your WD. Yeah, I know paintwork, I know, but it's fine. Don't worry, I've got a plan for this car. And use a screwdriver to change, or to pop out these screws. Just two Phillips on each side. Now these are the non-electrical ones. So if you have electrical ones, you will have to unplug the wiring from the inside and you take the door card off. If you want to know how to take the door card off, check the video out here. It's the one with the making the door cards. So we found out with the one we did earlier, you do have to make the hole a bit bigger here to fit this on. It will fit like so and look very nice. So to do that, we're just going to use a drill and just going to drill some holes. If you're don't want to do this, I'm not sure, you can't install these. But if I'm honest, doors are so easy to come by from MX-5. If you do something wrong, you can buy a new one, but if I'm honest, you'll be fine. So literally is just make the hole bigger. Clean it all down, wipe it down, just put a little bit of quick detailer and just wipe that off around. You can see what the lovely fresh paint looks like. And we're
where the car once looked.
Yeah, how it once looked. And we're going to grab, just because we've made a hole, just a little bit of paint. It's a smart thing to do, just around where you've been drilling. Just protect from the R word. We don't mention the word, you just know what word it is. The R word. Now you've made your hole a bit bigger, you grab your wing mirror and your gasket. That can fit over like so. You grab your two screws and you quite simply screw it in. And once you've screwed it all in, wipe it down and it will look as good as new. Well, it's probably right, but
because it isn't new.
Yeah. You can always take it off to clean everything up, but I am well happy with that. So hopefully you can see the difference that this makes. I'm well impressed and I really like it. It's a very simple, subtle mod and it's not that expensive to do. So if you do enjoy this, smash that like button because it really supports the channel and helps us know that you're enjoying what we're doing. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching. If you want to like, then that would be great. If you want to subscribe, that would be even better. We've just hit 1.1k, which is great. Depending on when this video goes, it might be 1.2. Who really knows? No, it probably won't be. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.